She says, why should you complain? Harry didn't do it to you.
But boy, what did I say? Is he a card or any card? Real class. Oh, with his gift of gab, he could really go places with our outfit. Hey, pal, you ought to quit that punk job of yours.
I want to check up with the live wire sales outfit like ours.
No, it's no use, boys. Every time I'm in town, I ask if you go on the road for our company, right, pal?
Sure, Ed, sure.
Listen, brothers, listen. Two dames and a boss.
Yeah.
And one dame says to another, if I don't get to bed pretty soon, I'm going home and go to sleep.
Making a Merry Christmas for some poor orphan.
Lady. A place like this.
Yeah, religion don't belong in any speakeasy.
I know it's Christmas, but
Mac, wait a minute. Excuse me, sister. Excuse me. Now, don't tell me we're going to let these two little angels of mercy go away from here empty-handed on Christmas Eve. This joint is the home of fine bourbon and fast women. And we need plenty of religion to keep them both in line. So come on, folks. How about it? Get it up now. Come on. Oh, come on. A little action here. A little what's the matter? Oh. Hey. Hey, Lord. Can you hear me up there, Jesus? You didn't think we'd forget your birthday, did you, boy? There you are, Jesus. And if I had any more, you'd be welcome to it. Thank you, brother. The Bible says never let your left hand know what your right hand is doing. What's your beef, mister? You ashamed of being a Christian? Oh, I see. You think religion is for suckers and easy marks and mollycoddles, huh? You think Jesus was some kind of a sissy, eh? Well, let me tell you, Jesus wouldn't be afraid to walk into this joint or any other speakeasy to preach the gospel. Jesus had guts. He wasn't afraid of the whole Roman army. Think that quarterback's hot stuff? Well, let me tell you, Jesus would have made the best little all-American quarterback in the history of football. Jesus was a real fighter. The best little scrap of pound for pound you ever saw. And why, gentlemen? Love. Jesus had love in both fists. And what is love? Love is the morning and the evening star. It shines in the cradle of the day. Hear ye sinners! Love is the inspiration of poets and philosophers. Love is the voice of music. I'm talking about divine love, not carnal love.
That was a beautiful sermon, Parson. You.
That reminds me, I gotta get hold of the little more.
Yeah, me too. That's the greatest Christmas sermon I've heard in a long
Thank the
time.
Lord, sister, thank the Lord.
Well, gotta go. So long. Gotta catch a rattler. Me too.
And pick up a little female from Hackney, ship. Wait a minute now.
That's a swell preacher act you got there. Nice Christmas,
I gotta catch a rattler in the morning myself. Man, we still got the whole night ahead of us.
Whatever you do, never lose that little black address book. Merry Christmas.
Mr. Gantry? And a Merry Christmas to you, too, sir. You'll have to chalk it up, man. The rest of these drinks, too. Charity. I ought to get myself a tambourine.
What's the trouble with this stinking world? Nobody loves nobody.
Mac, the lady's glass is empty.
Long-distance phone call, Mr. Gantry.
What time is it?
The phone call you put through to Mrs. Gantry last night?
Oh. Yeah, thanks.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Gantry.
You too.
And a Happy New Year, Mr. Gantry.
Well, I'll take care of you downstairs. Get my bags out now. Hello?